The biggest problem isn't that investing is hard, it's that we're flooded with misinformation. Yet, have to be calm when others are panicking and skeptical when others are euphoric. It's not easy, but it's the fundamental secret to long-term success. Welcome to the channel. If you are tired of financial advice that sounds like a foreign language and you want to learn how to build wealth the smart, sustainable way, you're in the right place. Investing is simply the act of owning assets that are designed to grow in value over time. It's about participating in the natural growth of the economy. Businesses innovate and expand. Economies become more productive. And as an investor, you get to own a tiny piece of that progress. When the companies you invest in succeed, so do you. The key is understanding that this is a long-term process, not an overnight event. The single greatest advantage you have as an investor is ONT, a huge bank account or a finance degree. It's time. The power of time in the market is almost magical, and it's something that most people vastly underestimate. Even if you only earn average returns, giving those returns decades to grow can create extraordinary wealth. This is the principle of compounding, which we'll dive into more deeply in a bit. But for now, just know that starting early with small amounts is infinitely more powerful than waiting to start later with a large sum of money. The person who invests $100 a month in their 20s will almost always end up with more money than the person who starts investing $1,000 a month in their 40s. Time does the heavy lifting for you. Forget trying to find the next Amazon or the next big thing. Now, let's talk about the big scary word, risk. Every time I talk about investing, someone says, "But isn't it risky? What if I lose all my money?" There. The first rule of managing risk is diversification, which we just covered. Don't put all your money in one company, one industry, or even one country. Spread it out. And that brings me to a crucial point. Market crashes are a normal, natural, and temporary part of the investing cycle. The real danger isn't the crash itself, it's the panic selling that follows. Making an emotional decision to sell during a downturn can turn a temporary paper loss into a permanent, real-life loss. 2. The investors who become wealthy are the ones who understand this. During a downturn, they either hold on patiently or, if they have the means, they continue investing, buying more shares at a discount. They see a market crash not as a crisis, but as a sale. Let's circle back to that magical force I mentioned earlier, compounding. Albert Einstein supposedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. Here's how it works. When you invest, your money earns a return. This is why small, consistent contributions are so powerful. Investing just a few dollars a day might feel insignificant, but over 30 or 40 years, compounding can turn those small contributions into a massive nest egg. So why do so many people fail at investing, even with all this knowledge? The answer is simple. Discipline beats talent every time. Most people fail because they lack the discipline to stick with a simple plan. They see someone on social media claiming they made a fortune, day trading or investing in some obscure cryptocurrency, and they want in on the action. They start trading frequently, jumping in and out of stocks, trying to time the market. Real, successful investing is boring. I'll say it again. Real investing is boring. It's about setting up automatic investments every month and then getting on with your life. And boring is exactly what works. Phew. Take only one thing away from this video. Let it be this. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Most importantly, ignore the noise. Ignore the headlines. Ignore the market gurus predicting the next crash. And ignore your friend who's bragging about a risky stock pick. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped demystify investing for you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple, no-nonsense financial advice. It's time to stop letting fear and confusion hold you back. Take control of your financial future today. You've got this.